Hello friends, welcome to my channel. As always, I am ready with another forex trading strategy to make you profitable. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you get every notification whenever I upload the videos. Don't forget to like and comment in this video. Let's not waste the time and let's go directly to the chart. So I have opened my chart here. You can see the indicators which we will be adding now. The first one is that we have to add RSI. Go to the icon there, search for RSI, that is relative strength index, and the period will be 1. Its period will be 1. Apply to close and let this color be blue. Now go to the level here, click this button and you have to add the first level, that is 10. Its description will be weight, WAIT, weight, and the second level it will be 20. Its description will be buy, it is buy, and again you add and press this again. Add another level, that is 50, and its description will be TP, that is our target price. Add another level which will be 80 here, its description will be sell, and then again add one more level, that is 90. Here it is 90 and its description will be weight, again it will be weight. Now we are all done. You can change the pixel according to you whatever you want. I have added 3 pixels here, that's all. Let's go back and press done. We have to add another indicator here, not in the main chart, not in this main chart, but we have to add here in indicator window 1. We have to add envelope now. Let's look for envelope. Where is it? It is here. We have added envelope now. Its period will be 14, shift will be 0, and this deviation will be 0.008. Now it will be exponential, method will be exponential, apply to close. So you can let the color be the same as it is already there, but I want to change its color to green. Yeah, that's now press done button here on top right corner. Now you can see how our strategy is working. Well, we are not done yet. We will need to add some more indicators here. Go to again the F sign, which is the indicator list. Open this indicator list and add to this main chart now. Go to this main chart and now you have to add moving average. First you will add the moving average of period 100 period moving average, and shift will be 0, exponential, and this will be close. Okay, so now press the done button on top right corner, add another moving average, press to the main chart here, and moving average you can open, and now you can change the moving average to 80. It will be same exponential, this exponential will be same, apply to close, and this pixel will be 3, but you need to change the color now. Let's its color be yellow. Okay, now press the top right corner button, which is done. Now again add one more strategy, one more indicator, moving average of period 200, exponential, same thing, close, this is same, just change its color to green or whatever the color what you want. And now press the done button on top right corner here. Now you're all done. Now let's see how to take the trade. For example, here it is one of the best example here. See, the price, the RSI came to 20 line, and then again it came back to 10 line. When it goes back to 20 line and breaks the 20 line here, you see what's happening in moving average in chart. Here also it is breaking out, so you could directly take the trade here, enter the trade here, and how much profit you would have got here, you can see. In this way you can find trade here and earn a huge amount of money. Thanks for watching.